You know how it is. This is Cheese. With your partners in blind. Happy Tuesday, everybody!
Good morning.
Morning, rise and shine again.
Yan, tanong kami.
Alright, we're back again on the road. We are... Anyway, just to tell you a bit of a story. In my previous life, my job was, I was part of recruitment or talent acquisition, where what I normally do is interview applicants. And what I perfectly remember way back is I asked one question on how will you describe a color to a blind person. Ikaw, Han.
What color? What particular
So let's say
color?
for example what you're wearing right now, is that pink?
Yeah, pink.
Pink. Okay. Give us an idea. In your own opinion, how do you describe pink?
I think a flower.
A flower, bulaklak, ano pa?
Yeah. And also the color of the skin.
Color of the skin.
Some sort of like that. Because if, I mean, yung pink kasi parang ano eh, feminine, very feminine. So pagka nakakita siguro ako ng blind and may nagtanong sa akin, halimbawa, paano ko i-describe ang pink? It is very feminine. Parang sobrang girly.
Okay. Alright. That's good. How about in emotions?
Emotions, I think,
Sa emotion.
is it like
How can you
lovable?
describe it
A pink?
in emotion?
Very fragile. Kasi di ba, yung masyadong ma-emosyon.
Alright. That's your opinion. Thank you. While me, go ahead. You wanna add more?
Wala.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, me. How will you describe a black color to a blind person? For me, it's power. When you say power and through emotions, you kind of like, have the power to do things in your own will. And also, the good thing about black is everybody can actually wear it. Right? Para po bang lahat binabagayan ng black?
Yes, totoo yan.
Bata, mataba, matanda, lalaki, babae, kahit ano po, binabagayan siya ng kulay green. And that doesn't mean that when you're wearing black, it's actually a sign of sadness. No. Black for me is power, and also black is beautiful.
Yeah.
So basically, the reason why we're saying all of those things, as you can see, we're wearing now our windbreakers. Windbreakers.
Alam mo na, tag-ulan na kasi ngayon.
Yeah.
Ang kagandahan nitong na nabili namin is
Yeah,
waterproof. Tapos ang ganda niya, tinry na namin to eh. Binuusan ko na water dito. Hindi talaga siya lumulusot dun sa loob niya. Tapos ang kagandahan nga niya, marami siyang pockets. Mayroon siyang dito zipper na may pocket. Tapos dito din, left and right. Tapos dito sa may loob, sa may dibdib, meron siyang sa loob, dito sa mismong loob ng jacket pag binuksan. Meron siyang lagayan ng pocket. Pwede mo, kasya yung cellphone mo dyan.
Talaga? Alright.
Meron ditong secret pocket din dito around your chest na may
Okay.
zipper.
Alright. Now, what I'm wearing is my black windbreaker. Now, the reason why we're discussing this to you, it is because we're actually selling this online. So, if in case for ensuring that you are prepared, especially on the rainy season.
Kasi katulad namin, di ba, kahit papano, kahit
Yeah.
blind kami is, hindi namin na-avoid ang sarili namin lumabas. So, syempre,
Yes.
to protect us from, yung mabasa. Lalo na
Yes.
yung mga gadget natin, di ba?
Yes. So, it's actually us preparing for this
May
rainy
hood nga
season.
rin pala to, ito
Yeah,
nasa
may
likod.
hood. Yeah,
Tapos
suot mo,
pwede mo rin siyang tanggalin.
Talaga.
Actually, detachable to eh. Oo, detachable. Tapos
okay.
pwede mo ikabit din.
And it feels like it's drizzling already.
Very stylish, Han.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, yung parang hindi mo na-feel na nakasuot ka ng parang kapote kasi saka makakita pag naglalakad ka tapos nakakapote ka or di ba parang wala naman masyadong ulan tapos nakakapote ka agad, di ba?
Yeah.
At least ito, kahit paambon-ambon lang, or di ba?
Okay. Well, anyway.
Ang the style, di ba?
It's stylish then at the same time. I hope you guys can see it. I'm wearing it now. Pinkish and I'm wearing black. Anyway, again, going back to our store, we're actually selling this online. And if any case of some of you would be interested, hit us up.
Yeah, actually bagay talaga to sa mga visually impaired na yun, na mga katulad natin yung pag lumalabas. Kasi mahirap sa atin yung bigla kailangan tatakbo ka sa corner. At
Yeah,
diba?
it is because of our vision, we're not being able to look for a shade,
Oo,
diba?
Eh, ito,
Or
abutin ka
masukuban tayo. So while
Abutin ka
while
man.
you're walking or somewhere else, or
Abutin
whatever
ka man
you're
ng
doing
ulan.
outside your house,
May
off the court
protection.
rather,
Yeah.
we
Katulad
can
namin sa
easily,
mga
you're not
explorer.
tendency is you don't get, you'll not panic just to look for a shade for you to not to get wet. I hope you guys know. Alam ko po, naintindihan niyo po yung sinasabi namin. Anyway, so if ever in case you'd be interested, please hit us up.
Hindi, for me kasi highly recommended kasi unang-una, lightweight siya eh. Hindi siya, di ba merong ganitong mabigat, tapos parang ang init-init sa katawan, ganon. Ito hindi, lightweight lang siya. Tapos sa loob niya parang merong anong tawag dito Han? Yung mesh, ano tawag dito? Yung,
Okay.
ano siya, comfortable siya, breathable yung ano
Okay.
niya.
Anyway, so we're selling this. Just hit us up. Don't hesitate. It's part of our plans to one of the things that we're gonna sell in the future. So again, don't hesitate. Hit us up and enjoy the rainy season. So that's it for your Partners in Blind. We appreciate you for, if in case you
Always choose to stay
finish this video, always to choose to stay kind. Enjoy the rest of the day. And
That's how it is.
that's how it is. See ya. Bye 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 bye.